Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk about some best live streaming apps to make money in 2025. So as you all know, on this channel I talk about live streaming apps. I make tutorial about live streaming apps and show you guys how to use these apps. So today I just want to pick out 3 best live streaming apps to make money in 2025. So if you want to turn your streams into cash, whether you're into gaming, chatting, singing, or just vibing, these are the best live streaming apps to make money in 2025. And yes, they actually pay real money. So first up, we have TikTok. I just want to start with the most popular, which is TikTok. TikTok allows you to make money by just live streaming. All right, so if you have over 1,000 followers on the app, you can start live streaming. And once you're live streaming, if you have massive engagement, if you have good content on your account, you will start getting a massive engagement. All right, so first of all, you have to build an engagement. And how can you do that? You have to create amazing content on your account. So once you do that, you are going to have people who love what you are doing. So if you start going live on the app, you are going to start receiving gifts from your followers. And once you are receiving gifts from your followers, those gifts are convertible into real cash. All right, so that's it guys. Now let's move on to the next one, which most of you might be familiar with or not. This one is called Bigo Live. So head to Play Store or App Store, search for Bigo Live, have it installed, open the app, create an account, and get started. It's very similar with TikTok. All you have to do guys is to start live streaming. So you just have to start building content, start creating content and uploading on the app. Then you can now start going live as well. So if you're going live on the app, you can receive gifts from your followers or random people who are watching you, and those gifts are convertible into beans, and the beans are convertible into real cash. All right, so that's it. So it's very amazing as well. Now let's move on to the third one, which is the last one that I want to talk about. This one is called Poppo Life. This one is actually very hot right now, so you just need to go and check it out. Head to Play Store, App Store, search for Poppo Life, open the app, create an account, and you are all set. So what you just have to do is to start going live on the app. Though there are certain conditions you need to meet before you can start going live on this app. Conditions like reaching a certain wet level, and for you to reach the required wet level, you have to buy some coins on the app, and those coins you have to spend them during a live stream of someone else. You have to gift people those coins, and then you are going to upgrade to the required wet level. All right, so once you are at the required wet level, you can now start live streaming on the app. And also you have to complete face authentication, and that's it. And also you have to upload content, which is necessary for every live streaming app, so in order for you to build engagement. All right, so then once you're able to go live, start going live on the app, you receive gifts from people who love what you're doing, and also you can even receive gifts by just uploading videos on the app. All right, so that's very amazing. So once you do that, you can start receiving money. All right, you can start getting paid on the app. All right, so that's it. So these 3 apps are actually my top 3 best live streaming apps that you can make money from in 2025. So guys, that's it. Hope this video was helpful, and you now know my top 3 best live streaming apps to make money in 2025? If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.